In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for social media management. We'll set up a clean, repeatable workflow you can use every week to plan, create, schedule, publish, and review your posts, all in one place. I'll guide you step by step on a desktop so it's easy to follow along. First, log into your Asana account on a desktop or laptop. Using a larger screen makes it easier to see your project structure and quickly add tasks. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Create. From the options that appear, select Project. This tells Asana we're building a dedicated space for your social media work. Choose Blank Project so you start with full control and no clutter. Next, select List as the layout. A list view is great for social media workflows because it keeps steps in a clear, top-to-bottom order. Click Continue to proceed. Now, enter Social Media Management as the project name so it's easy to recognize. Finally, click Create Project. You've just built a home base for your recurring content process. Let's add the key tasks that will guide your weekly cycle. Click Add Task and type Plan Weekly Content, then press Enter. This step helps you map out themes, platforms, and goals before you create anything. It's a good place to jot down ideas and align with any broader campaigns. Click Add Task and type. Create social media post, then press Enter. Use this to draft copy, design visuals, or prepare videos. Keeping all creative work tied to this task will help you track what's ready and what still needs feedback. Click Add Task and type Schedule Post, then press Enter. This is where you plan specific publish times in your scheduler of choice and make sure each post is timed for maximum reach. Click Add Task and type Publish Post, then press Enter. Even if you schedule, it's helpful to keep a publish checkpoint to verify final details, like links, tags, and formatting, especially for time-sensitive content. Click Add Task and type Check Comments and Messages, then press Enter. Engagement builds community. Use this task to respond, moderate, and capture audience insights you can feed back into future content. Click Add Task and type Review, Post Performance, then press Enter. Wrap up by looking at metrics such as reach, clicks, and saves. Note what worked and what to adjust next week. As you use this project, you can add due dates, notes, or assignees to each task to match your team's rhythm. Keep it simple at first, then refine over time. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.